Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the colors of your stock videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use two videos for this. One is the line ones and the other one is just like a normal video, I guess. Maybe trying to find one that I can kind of change a little bit. Hold on. I think I'll just go with this one, and I'll go with this one for the other one. Okay, so for this one, I am simply just going to go to adjustments, and I'm going to turn down the saturation, turn up the brightness a little bit as well. Then I'm going to go to background, and I'm going to select a color. I'm going to select this purple color, and I'm just going to rotate it. And I'm going to go to video, blend mode, and I'm going to select whichever one works the best. For instance, I like this green one, or the brighten one, or this hard light one, for instance. And as you can see, it turned the video color into this purple hue. Now you have this one, which just, for instance, shows the outline. So if I copied and paste that, it will also affect the background. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste it first. Make sure it's black and white already, both of them. Select this one. And, whoops, why did I do replace clip? And I'm going to go to effects, and I'm going to add in the neon outline to it. And then I'm going to go to media. Actually, no, you don't have to do that. Just do the same exact thing, but select a different blend mode. I forgot to do that. Just go to video here, go to blend mode, and select the linear burn one, and it will only affect the outline. So that's the blend mode that you need to choose for these different videos. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!